Understanding the mechanics of the stock market can be compared to learning a new language. It might seem complex at first, but once you start to grasp the basic concepts, the pieces begin to fall into place. Think of the stock market as a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits, vegetables, or other goods, the commodities being traded are shares of publicly held companies. When a company decides to sell shares to the public, it's like a farmer bringing his produce to the market. Investors, on the other hand, are the customers. They buy these fruits or shares, hoping that their value will increase over time, much like a rare fruit might become more valuable if it becomes scarce. The price of a stock, much like the price of a fruit in a market, is determined by supply and demand. If a particular fruit is in high demand but supply is low, the price skyrockets. Similarly, if a company's stock is in high demand, its price goes up. Now, why would a company want to sell its shares? Think of it as a farmer needing funds to grow his farm. By selling shares, companies can raise capital to expand their operations, invest in new projects, or even pay off existing debts. However, just like purchasing any goods, investing in the stock market comes with its own set of risks and rewards. The stock market can be unpredictable and volatile, much like a storm that can hit a marketplace without warning. One day, the prices of shares can skyrocket, and the next they can plummet. But despite these risks, the potential for high returns makes the stock market an attractive investment avenue. It's like finding a rare fruit in the marketplace that can be sold for a hefty profit. Stock market participants vary from individual investors, who are like everyday customers at a marketplace, to institutional investors who can be compared to large-scale buyers like restaurant owners or juice bars. Then there are market makers and specialists who ensure there's always a buyer for every seller, much like a market organizer ensuring there are enough vendors and customers for a successful market day. The stock market is a complex and fascinating world, much like a bustling marketplace. It's a place where fortunes can be made and lost, where companies can grow and thrive, and where everyday individuals can participate in the economic progress of their countries and the world. So delve deeper, learn more about the stock market. Start investing, not just your money, but also your time in understanding this intriguing world. After all, the seeds of wealth are often sown in the fertile soil of knowledge and understanding.